young explorer. Are you ready to play a guessing game? I'll describe a situation, and you have to guess which greeting fits best. The birds are chirping, and you just opened your eyes. You see your mom or dad. What do you say? Hint: the day is just starting. Answer: good morning. School is finished. You are waving to your teacher as you leave. What do you say? Hint: you'll see them again tomorrow. Answer: goodbye. The sun is high in the sky. You meet a friend at the park. What do you say? Hint: it's the middle of the day. Answer: good afternoon. You see your best friend looking a little bit tired. You want to know how they are feeling. What do you ask? Hint: you are checking on their feelings. Answer: how are you? The sun has gone down and it's time for dinner with your family. What do you say? Hint: it's getting dark, but you aren't in bed yet. Answer: good evening. You see your neighbor walking their dog and wish them well. What do you say? Hint: it's a nice way to wish someone a wonderful day. Answer: have a nice day. You are tucked into your warm blankets, ready to close your eyes. What do you say? Hint: this is the very last thing you say before sleep. Answer: good night. How many did you get right? You're becoming a pro at being polite.